In this section, I will explain how app layouts work in Phoenix 1.8.5 version and how we structure our UI constantly across pages. A layout is a shared wrapper around your pages. Instead of repeating the same HTML like header, navbar, or footer in every template, we define it once in a layout file and reuse it. In Phoenix 1.8.5 version, layouts live here. lib/my_app_web/components/layouts/ the main file is app.html.txt. This is a main app layout. In addition to the main app layout, we also have LiveView layouts, which are defined in layouts.txt. This layout acts as a wrapper for all LiveView pages. In the previous section, I used to wrap the entire application so we can share common UI across all LiveViews. Now I will extend it by adding a simple navbar. After that, I will demonstrate live navigation, showing how users can move between pages smoothly without a full page reload, thanks to LiveView. Now let's start building the navbar. I will make a few changes here, but I will skip the markup part since it's not very interesting. So now we have our navbar ready, but the links don't work yet. Let's fix that. In LiveView, we use a link component for navigation instead of a regular anchor tag. The navigation attribute tells LiveView to perform client-side navigation. That means it updates the URL and loads the new LiveView without doing a full page reload. Under the hood, LiveView keeps the connection open and only updates the necessary parts of the page. This is why navigation feels fast and smooth. This /counter route is from our first LiveView example, and now we can navigate to it seamlessly. I will also add an admin link for later. We don't have that page yet, but we will implement it on later sections. Now it's time to implement the single block page. First, we define a route for it. This route lets us access a specific block by its ID. Next, inside the live directory, we create a new folder, block_live, and then create a new file, show.ex. I will add the usual boilerplate here, nothing new, just the standard LiveView setup. Now in our blocks context, we define a function to fetch a single block. This will return the block or raise an error if it does not exist. Now, back in our show.ex file, inside the mount function, we receive params, so we extract the ID like this. Then we fetch the block and assign it to the socket. We can also set a dynamic page title. Now let's go back to the home page. In home_live.ex, we wrap blog card title with a link and pass a dynamic path. So when we click a blog title, it navigates to the show page. Finally, in the show page, we can add a simple back button so users can return to the home page. Now everything works smoothly. We can click a blog, navigate to its detail page without reload, and go back easily. That's it, everything is working nicely and we are making great progress.